Hello, everyone. I thought I would just check in with you here. It's midterm, and I'm ready to start all over again. Hi, everyone. I thought I would just check in here with you. It's midterm, and we're halfway through the quarter, and I think we got a pretty good little system set up here. I hope it's working out for you. Um, the overall idea here in interpersonal communication is to teach you how people interact in pairs of twos. And we've done that so far. We've studied what the communication process and the complexity it is with two people. We've talked about perception. We've talked about language right now, but listening and nonverbals and all those sorts of things. And we're going to be moving into other ones too. I hope you're having a good time with it. The idea of the course was to get you use a textbook so you could study the theory of communication, and then also the Carnegie book is to actually show the application of it. And I was looking at other things to do. Some of my colleagues are doing a lot of extra work that I think is a little bit too much, and I don't want to overload you, but I just thought I'd do something like YouTube videos and TED Talks for you to actually see practitioners of communication in action and then kind of respond to that. So I hope it's working out for you. Let me know if you would like to do anything different. In the past, I have put people in the face-to-face classes, I put them in pairs and I give them a concept in communication, and then they go about researching it and they make a report back to the class. But with the COVID and face to face being gone and the challenges of your other classes, that sort of thing, I thought it'd be better for you not to do work in pairs. It'd be a little bit harder getting together. So anyway, so the idea here is the textbook for theory, the Carnegie book for application of the theory, and then I've seen a professional practitioner of communication and action and letting you evaluate it. So those will probably be the only three assignments. We'll continue on this process throughout the quarter. It gives you a sense of certainty. You know we're going to go through the chapters right in order, and I hope you're enjoying it. You're not getting that interaction with each other, but you are learning the theories. You can apply them with your family, friends, and people at work. So anyway, I'm here if you need me. I'm open for Zoom meetings. I've done a couple of Zoom meetings with your classmates, so always feel free to ask me to set one up for you. Be happy to talk to you one on one. And if you have any other questions, email. I will respond within 24 hours. If I happen to be on the computer at the time of your email, I will respond right away. So anyway, halfway through, you've made it. Good luck to you the rest of the quarter. I'm enjoying reading all your stories and reading your observations and that sort of thing. If you have an idea for a TED Talk or a YouTube on one of our deals, send them to me and I'll check it out. All right. Have a good quarter and talk to you soon. I'll probably put out one of these videos at the end of the quarter. And if in between we talk, we talk. All right. Good luck to you. Bye.